Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned about Windows settings. Today, we are going to learn about Control Panel, one of the oldest and most powerful tools in Windows. What is Control Panel? How is it different from settings? And which important things can you do from Control Panel? Let's learn everything in a very simple and easy way. What is Control Panel? Control Panel is a built-in tool in Windows that allows you to manage and control all the important settings and features of your computer. It has been part of Windows since the very beginning and contains many advanced options that are not available in the regular Windows settings. Simple example, think of Control Panel like the main electrical panel in your house. All the main switches and controls for electricity are in one place. Similarly, Control Panel has all the main controls for your computer in one place. How to open Control Panel. There are several easy ways to open Control Panel in Windows. The first way is to click on the Start button and type Control Panel in the search bar. Then click on Control Panel from the results. The second way is to press Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. Then type Control and press Enter. Control Panel will open instantly. The third way is to open File Explorer by pressing Windows key and E. Then click on the address bar at the top and type Control Panel and press Enter. Simple example. Opening Control Panel using the Run box is the fastest method. Just press Windows key R, type Control, and press Enter. Done. Control Panel View Options. When Control Panel opens, you will see different categories. At the top right corner, there is a View By option. You can change this to Category View, Large Icons View, or Small Icons View. Category View groups similar settings together in categories. This is the default view and easiest for beginners. Large Icons View shows all options as large icons, so you can see everything at once. Small Icons View shows everything as small icons, more options visible at the same time. Important sections of Control Panel. System and Security. This is one of the most important sections in Control Panel. From here you can check your computer's basic information like processor speed, RAM size, and Windows version. You can also access Windows firewall settings to protect your computer from unauthorized access. You can also create a backup of your files and restore your system to an earlier point using System Restore. Simple example. System and Security is like the security guard of your computer. It protects your computer and keeps everything safe. Network and Internet. From this section, you can manage all your internet and network connections. You can view and change your Wi-Fi and Ethernet settings. You can also set up a new internet connection from here. You can also manage your browser and internet options from this section. Hardware and Sound. This section allows you to manage all hardware devices connected to your computer. You can add a new printer from here by clicking on View Devices and Printers. You can manage your audio settings and change default playback devices. You can also adjust mouse settings like pointer speed and button configuration. You can also change keyboard settings from here. Simple example, Hardware and Sound section is like the devices manager of your computer. Any device you connect to your computer can be managed from here. Programs. This is a very important and frequently used section. From Programs, you can uninstall any software or program that is installed on your computer. Just click on Uninstall a program. Find the program you want to remove, click on it, and then click Uninstall. You can also turn Windows features on or off from here. For example, you can enable or disable features like Internet Explorer, Windows Media Player, and Hyper-V from here. Simple example. Programs section is like a list of all apps on your phone. Just like you can uninstall apps from your phone, you can uninstall programs from your computer using this section. User Accounts. From User Accounts section, you can manage all user accounts on your computer. You can change your account name and password. You can also change your account type between Standard User and Administrator. Administrator account has full control of the computer, while Standard User has limited access. You can also manage other user accounts from here. Simple example, User Accounts is like having different keys for different rooms. Administrator has the master key that opens everything, while Standard User only has access to certain rooms. Appearance and Personalization. From this section, you can change how Windows looks. You can change the desktop background and screensaver. You can also adjust the size of text and icons on screen. You can also customize the taskbar and start menu appearance from here. Clock and region. From this section, you can change the date and time on your computer. You can also change the time zone. Very important if you are in Pakistan and your computer is showing the wrong time. You can also change the date and number format based on your region and language preferences. Simple example. If your computer is showing the wrong time, just go to Control Panel, then Clock and Region and fix it in seconds. Ease of access in Control Panel is similar to accessibility settings in Windows settings. From here you can turn on magnifier, narrator, and high contrast mode. You can also adjust settings for keyboard, mouse, and display to make the computer easier to use. Difference between Control Panel and Windows settings. Many beginners ask what is the difference between Control Panel and Windows settings. Both are used to control your computer, but there are some differences. Windows settings is the newer and modern version, introduced in Windows 8 and improved in Windows 10 and 11. It has a clean and simple design and is easier for beginners to use. Control Panel is the older and more advanced version that has been in Windows since the beginning. It has more detailed and advanced options that are not available in Windows settings. Microsoft is slowly moving all features from Control Panel to Windows settings. But Control Panel still has many important features that are not yet available in settings. So both are still useful, and both are still available in Windows 11. Simple example, Windows settings is like a modern simple restaurant with an easy menu. Control Panel is like a professional kitchen with all the advanced tools and equipment. Both prepare food, but the professional kitchen has more options and more control. Important tips for Control Panel. Always be careful when changing settings in Control Panel because some changes can affect how your computer works. If you are not sure about a setting, it is better to leave it as it is. If you accidentally change something and your computer starts behaving differently, you can use System Restore to go back to an earlier point when everything was working fine. So now you know what Control Panel is, how to open it, and what all the important sections inside it do. Remember, Control Panel is the advanced control center of your computer with more detailed options than regular Windows settings. In our next video, we will learn about Task Manager, how to use Task Manager to monitor and control your computer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.